We consider a question from paper 2 of 1995, that is Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education. And this is the next question we are looking at in this particular video. So the question is: simplify completely 3x squared minus 1 over x squared minus 1 minus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1. And this comes from Form 1, that is in the Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education syllabus. This should be tested. This is tested in Form 1, and we use various methods in an attempt to simplify. One of them would be having to use the element of factorization, and also having to remember difference of squares, some properties like difference of squares. So let's see what the solution should look like. Now simplify completely 3x squared minus 1 all over x squared minus 1 minus 2x plus 1 all over x plus 1. That's 3 marks. Solution. First, what we do is to find the LCM. And the LCM of both this will just be x squared minus 1 times x plus 1. That's the LCM. And if that is the case, then it means that I'll be having x plus 1 here to multiply with 3x squared minus 1. Then minus, this goes here with x squared minus 1 times 2x plus 1. Like that. That's the first expression that we have. Then we can open these brackets. We can open, okay, let's just multiply. So this will be x by this is x by this is 3x cubed, that is this by this, minus x plus 3x squared minus 1. And then let's see what all of this is. So I have x squared minus 1 into 2x plus 1. That should give me 2x cubed plus x squared plus x squared minus 2x minus 1, which is 2x cubed plus, it's just that. There's no way to simplify it. There is no way to simplify it. It's just that. So the whole of this is this. So I'll have to subtract this from this. So where I have this, I want to replace it with that. So do this, put a bracket again. So I have 2x cubed plus x squared minus 2x minus 1. Close the bracket. And so here I'll be continuing, because this is the expansion of this. So I'll be continuing with opening up this particular bracket. So this gives me minus 2x cubed plus, not plus, it's minus times a plus is minus. So I have a minus x squared plus 2x plus 1 all over x squared minus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 1. Now, I see that 3x cubed minus 2x cubed gives me x cubed. I've started with the high powers. Then I move to the second order power. That is 3x squared minus x squared. That becomes plus 2x squared. Then minus x plus 2x, that is plus x. Then minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. Then I say this is over x squared minus 1 into x plus 1, like that. I can simplify this further by factorizing x, so that I have x squared plus 2x plus 1, like that, all over x squared minus 1, x plus 1. Let me rewrite this. Whatever is in the bracket, I can still factorize it. So I say, but x squared plus 2x plus 1 simply means that I'm looking for two numbers whose product is 1 and sum is 2. That has to be 1 and 1. So this I can rewrite as x squared plus x plus 1. And upon factorization, I get x into x plus 1. And here I have plus 1 to x plus 1. So the whole of this is effectively x plus 1, x plus 1, or x plus 1 squared. That's the whole of this. So I will come and say therefore the whole of this is then the whole of that. Now I want to rewrite that. So I have x, and where there is this I can put x plus 1 squared. Yes, all over x squared minus 1, x plus 1. We see that one of the x's can go. One of the x's can divide it, can go, so that I have here x over x into x plus 1, because only one goes, divided by x squared minus 1. But x squared minus 1 is, so I can come here and say we have x into x plus 1 over x squared minus 1. But x squared minus 1 we can write it as x plus 1, difference of two squares, x minus 1, difference of two squares. So in which case this again cancels that. And then my answer is x over x minus 1. That's the answer. So up to there, see you in my next video.